My name is Roger Murphy. I am the president and CEO of Murphy Business and Financial Corporation. I really believe the market is improving. We are seeing, first of all, there's a lot of pent up demand in the market. A lot of people have been holding back. Sellers have not wanted to sell. Buyers have not wanted to buy. There's been, too much uncertainty. Buyers have faced lack of the ability to get financing, but things have changed. We had still had a little bit of uncertainty in the U.S. At the end of the year with some of the tax changes that were going on and some of the budget issues that we had. But I think people in general have gotten confidence back, and quite frankly, a lot of people are tired of sitting back and waiting, and they're starting to get going again and get moving. And we're seeing a lot more businesses come on the market, and they seem to be a little bit better quality, a little bit larger, and those people are done waiting and they're ready to sell. And we're also seeing a lot more buyer activity. I think buyers are more confident now that if they buy a business, they'll be successful. And so it's increased as a firm. We know we were up 63% last year over the prior year, and we expect to be up about 40 to 50% this year. So I think that things are getting on track. We really expect to have a great third and fourth quarter, and who knows from there. I hope it gets back to the way it was before this recession. There were a lot of people that wanted to sell their business. It was time. They were either tired of it or maybe they were at retirement age. And I think what happened was we all said, well, we'll wait this financial or economic blip out. It's a recession. It'll be a year or two, and then it'll be over with. Well, it wasn't. It wasn't a year or two. It was more like 4 years of troubled times, and I think we've gotten tired of waiting for that to be over. I can say, though, that a lot of sellers who saw their business decline and their profits decline initially have strengthened their companies. They've worked hard and they've got their profits back to where they were, and they've got their business in shape. And a lot of those sellers are a little bit older now, and they are truly ready to sell. And a lot of buyers are tired of the corporate world. They want to own their own company. They've been waiting because they were afraid to move. They were afraid that, if they bought a business, it might not do that well. Well, I think that the buyers are tired of waiting just as much as the sellers, and they're back in the game, and they can see that the financing is there. The Small Business Administration loans are available again, and banks are beginning to lend, and it just seems like everything is positive and everybody is starting to get going again.